Hi, in this video from the Birdbath Gardener today, I'm just going to do a quick video here of a project I worked on and finished today. I had an area of my yard that had a well casing. That's where my well water was dug, and the casing for the tubing or the piping stuck up out of the ground. And I've always had kind of a little garden spot there, but it got too weedy this year, and it just looked bad. And I had gotten some grass weed, and it was very heavily rooted, and as much as I pulled it, it just came right back. So I decided to do a little something different with it. I did have some black-eyed Susans growing up in it, and a few other little things growing with it, but the grass was just overtaking it. So I'll show you here what I did today to solve the problem, and it looks pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. So we'll take a look at that. Okay, so this is the area I was talking about. So what I did was I took the trimmer and I trimmed completely everything down to the ground, and then I laid some black weed fabric down, and then I did some rock work from there after I got the weed fabric laid down. Now underneath these rocks here is where the well casing is. You can see it through that little hole there a little wee bit. So I covered some rocks, and then I took and made a bird bath out of stone too, just to decorate this area up a little bit. And also put a little path that goes through it, so I can walk through it to get to the bird bath. And also I put one of my planters in it to make it dress it up a little bit. But it looks so much better than all the weeds that I had in here before. So this is what it's looking like now. That I have it all done. I did leave the tree that kind of came up on its own here. I haven't decided what to do with it. It's right beside the well, but I don't really think it's going to hurt, or the roots will get into the well casing because it's steel well casing, so it ain't going to grow into it, I'm pretty sure. But I may chop it down, I may leave it, but for right now it's staying for this project. That's about the size of it. That's what I did today. It took quite a while. Really didn't. It took about 4 hours to do. Stonework was the biggest time thing. Was picking out stones from my stone pile and making the bird bath thing there. But I'm pretty happy with it. So that's going to do it for this video here. It's a short video of this one of my projects I was wanting to get done. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. And as always, if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.